It's been over 50 years, a half a century since humans last looked out of the window and saw the lunar surface beneath them. But today, the wait is almost over. NASA has officially dropped the launch windows for Artemis II, the mission that will finally take humanity back to the moon. If everything goes to plan, we are just weeks away from seeing 4 brave astronauts climb into the Orion capsule and blast off into history. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video useful. So in today's video, we're breaking down the official dates, the crew, and the journey that will change space exploration forever. So let's get straight into the big news. NASA just confirmed the primary launch windows for early 2026. The very first opportunity opens on February the 6th. Now, space is hard, really hard, so they have a backup plan. If they miss that first window, they've carved out several other opportunities. We've got February the 6th, 7th, 8th, 10th, and 11th, March the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 11th, and April the 1st, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. So they've got a few dates there, just in case. These dates aren't just random though. They depend on the moon's position and the power of the SLS rocket. NASA is also preparing to roll the massive SLS rocket out to the launch pad 39B as early as January the 17th. This is getting real. So who is actually going? This isn't just a mission for one country, it's a mission for the world. First, we have Commander Reid Wiseman. He's a veteran who's already spent 165 days in space. Then there's pilot Victor Glover, who will make history as the first person of colour to go to the moon. Next is mission specialist Christina Koch, the record holder for the longest single spaceflight by a woman. And finally, we have Jeremy Hansen from the Canadian Space Agency, becoming the first non-American to ever leave the Earth's orbit. Their spacecraft is named Integrity, a fitting name for a crew that represents the best of us. Artemis II isn't a landing mission, that's Artemis III. This is a 10-day high-stakes test flight. After launch, they'll spend about 24 hours orbiting the Earth to make sure that all their life support systems are working perfectly. Once they get the go, they'll perform a translunar injection. This means that it will travel 230,000 miles to the moon, loop around the far side, reaching about 4,500 miles beyond the lunar surface, and then use the moon's gravity to slingshot to hurl them back towards the Earth. This is called a free return trajectory. It's the ultimate safety move. If anything goes wrong with the engines, gravity will bring them home on its own. Gravity will bring them back to Earth. You might be wondering, why did this take so long? Well, NASA had to be sure. After the uncrewed Artemis I mission, engineers found some unexpected charring on the Orion's heat shield. They spent months analysing how it eroded during re-entry at Mach 33. They are also fine-tuning the life support systems. When you put in humans on a £5.7 million rocket, good enough just doesn't cut it. Safety is the priority, the number one, especially when you're heading into the deep radiation of space. Artemis II is the proof of concept. If this succeeds, then Artemis III will land the first woman and the first person of colour on the lunar South Pole in 2027. We aren't just visiting the moon this time, we're staying. We're building a lunar gateway, a space station in lunar orbit, and using the moon as a stepping stone to Mars. This mission is the bridge between our history and our future amongst the stars. So the countdown has officially begun. February the 6th, 2026 could be the day we see humans leave our planet for the first time in a generation. What part of the Artemis mission are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Will you be watching it live? And if you want to stay updated on every single launch and space discovery, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. On the day of the launch, I'm hoping to be able to do a live stream of the launch. So please make sure you like and subscribe so when it happens, you don't miss out. And on that note, clear skies, and I'll see you in the next video.